Welcome to Car Show 1, your ultimate destination for all things cars. From vintage legends to the latest supercars, we bring you deep dives, detailed reviews, and the stories behind the wheels that change the world. If you're a car enthusiast or simply love the sound of a roaring engine, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing automotive content. Today, we're taking you back in time to explore one of the most iconic American cars ever built, the 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air. This car isn't just a vehicle, it's a piece of American history. A symbol of the booming post-war era, the 57 Bel Air has become a classic not only for its bold looks but also for what it represents: style, freedom, and the golden age of cruising. The 1957 Chevy Bel Air is instantly recognizable. With its bold tailfins, distinctive chrome trim, and wide grille, it stood out from everything else on the road at the time. It had a look that was both futuristic and elegant, which made it an instant hit among buyers and car enthusiasts alike. Chevrolet knew they had something special, and the design team didn't hold back. Every line and detail of the Bel Air was carefully crafted to make a statement. Under the hood, the 1957 Bel Air offered several engine choices. One of the most popular options was the 283 cubic inch V8, which came with an optional fuel injection system, a rare and advanced feature at the time. In fact, Chevrolet's famous slogan that year was, "Nothing without wings climbs like a 57 Chevy." And with up to 283 horsepower, they weren't exaggerating. This was one of the first mass-produced cars to offer 1 horsepower per cubic inch, which was a big deal in the 1950s. But the Bel Air wasn't just about performance. It was also about comfort and innovation. The interior was designed to feel upscale, with plenty of chrome, stylish two-tone color schemes, and a dashboard that looked like it came straight out of a jet cockpit. Buyers could choose options like power windows, power seats, and even air conditioning, luxuries that weren't common in many cars of that era. One of the most loved features of the Bel Air was the smooth ride. Thanks to its solid chassis and improved suspension system, the Bel Air provided a driving experience that was both comfortable and confident. Whether you were cruising down the boulevard or taking a long road trip, the Bel Air made it feel special. The 1957 model year was the last in the Tri-5 series, a nickname given to the 1955, 1956, and 1957 Chevrolet models. Among the three, the 57 stands out as the most iconic. While the 55 introduced the revolutionary V8 engine and the 56 refined the design, the 57 took it all to another level with a bold new front end, dramatic tailfins, and more power under the hood. Over the years, the 1957 Bel Air has become a favorite among collectors, hot rodders, and classic car fans. Restored models can be seen at car shows, auctions, and museums across the country. Its popularity never faded, and today, it's more than just a car, it's a cultural icon. From movies and music videos to model kits and memorabilia, the 57 Bel Air continues to capture the hearts of new generations. What makes the Bel Air so special isn't just its looks or performance, it's the way it makes people feel. It represents a time when cars were more than just transportation. They were a part of your identity. Driving a Bel Air meant you had arrived. It had style, it had presence, and it turned heads everywhere it went. Even now, nearly 7 decades later, the Bel Air still holds a strong presence on the road. Whether it's been kept original or turned into a custom street rod, the essence of the 57 Chevy remains. It reminds us of a time when American cars led the world in design and innovation. In conclusion, the 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air isn't just a car, it's a legend. With its unforgettable design, impressive performance, and lasting legacy, it continues to be a symbol of classic Americana. Here at Car Show 1, we salute this timeless masterpiece and all the joy it continues to bring to car lovers around the world. Thanks for watching today's episode. If you enjoyed learning about the 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air, be sure to hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more legendary cars coming your way. See you in the next video on Car Show 1.